Hey guys, if you want to learn how to make milk cake, keep watching. So this cake is super easy to make. It was made without an oven and without creaming butter and sugar together. To make the cake, add 100 grams of sugar, that's half cup of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter, that's 35 grams. Add 1 egg. Add 1 cup of evaporated milk. Mix it together until it is smooth. So if you're new on this channel, welcome. And if you love to know more about baking, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification for weekly updates. Add 187 grams of flour, that's 1.5 cup of flour. Then add 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Sieve them all together. Mix them together until they are fully incorporated. So I used an edible food pen to mark out the size of the pan. Using a parchment paper or a baking paper on your cake pan helps to prevent the cake from sticking to the cake pan. So after cutting, if I place it in like that, it won't really sit well, so I prefer to fold it. So after folding, you see it stays on the pan easily. Apply some butter to the cake pan to prevent it from sticking. Pour the batter into the cake pan and spread it evenly, then tap it. Place a cake stand into the pot and add some water and preheat it. Then place the cake on the stand and cover the pot. So let it steam for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take a toothpick and insert it in the middle of the cake, and if it comes out clean, the cake is ready. So after bringing out the cake from the pot, let it cool for about 5 minutes before you flip it over, because flipping it over when it's hot can make the cake break. So after 5 minutes, gently flip the cake over and place it on a cooling rack to cool before you serve it. This cake is so soft and fluffy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. See you again next week.